It's easy as a 1, 2, 3. Do you see what I do? Yes, I double dare you. You, me. Now I think I've got it right. 3-point perspective with no ruler. Draw now! Oh, God. Oh, another day on the assembly line. Everybody better march in time, 'cause the factory don't care why. You've been saying coulda, shoulda, woulda. Good enough, and then I guess I'll just shade underneath it. You've been saying coulda, shoulda, woulda. I got a copy of Hades 2, and either now I'm bad at it or it seems more difficult than the first one. It's harder. You do have to grind for a bit, just like in the first one, but I do think that it's harder. Oh, stretch, Jesus. Those guys who run up in my face and do the shouting, I hate them. Yeah, those guys are the worst. Use your cast that traps them. Ever after. But yeah, those enemies suck. Once upon a time, beautiful and mine, now it's just a bottom line. Ooh, bricks and happily. Ooh, breakfast, thank you. Live the end. Dum, 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 dum. Damn, my cart's metal as hell. Yeah. Can you think of anything else you might want on it? I'm running out of ideas. I was going for, like, slightly Mad Max. What the prices when left to my own devices? Find out in all good time what happens to never say die. I need a guy on the back with chrome all over his mouth yelling, "Witness me!" Can I add dumb stickers? What kind of stickers? The answer is yes. I just need to know what dumb stickers you want and where you want them. Like, should I put the smiley here?